In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Waveform free. Now to do this, I'm gonna go step by step and start from the very beginning. The first thing you have to do, of course, is open a project, which I'm assuming you know how to do. And then when you've done this, the very first thing we're gonna do here is just basically configure our input devices, of course, the microphone. So I'm gonna go to settings up top. You wanna go to audio devices, and then here you have output and input. So for the output, you can pick whichever one you want, and then for the input over here, of course, you want to pick whichever mic you want to use. I'm gonna go with my Yeti mic over here. I'm gonna click on it, and there we go. Over here, you kind of have your test, seeing if things are working or not. For here, over here as well, I'm going to add this one, and as you can see, you can test it and see if it's working, okay? Now for me, it's working, so that's good. For now, I'm actually going to put it none right now, so it doesn't annoy us, but that's, of course, how you do this. When you've done this, go back to your project up top, and we have to add a track we want to record on. So go to this track button up top, and then click on add track, and there we go, a track is gonna be added. Now by default, as you can see, it's already ready, and it's basically a notice that I am using a mic, but if it doesn't, you simply wanna click in here, so it's gonna be like this, click in here, and then select audio, and then this input channel over here. Now when you've done this, to start recording, you simply wanna enable recording on this track. You want to position yourself where you want to start. I'm going to go to the beginning, and then I'm going to click on this record button down here, and that's literally all you have to do to start recording on Waveform free. As you can see, my audio, my voice is being recorded, and when I'm done, I can just click on the stop button, and there we go, I have a fresh recording of my audio. So that's how to record. It's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.